The Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, a testament to the pursuit of speed, power, and style. Since its debut in 1966, the Camaro has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, becoming an enduring icon in the world of muscle cars. Its story is one of innovation, competition, and a relentless drive to push boundaries, making it a cornerstone of Chevrolet's legacy and a defining piece of American culture. The Camaro was born out of necessity, a response to the growing popularity of the Ford Mustang, which had taken the automotive world by storm in 1964. Chevrolet needed a competitor, a car that could not only match the Mustang's appeal but surpass it. The result was the Camaro, a vehicle that combined sleek design, powerful performance, and affordability. From the very beginning, the Camaro was designed to be more than just a car, it was designed to be a statement. Its name, derived from the French word for companion, hinted at its dual purpose, a car that could be both a daily driver and a high-performance machine. The first-generation Camaro, introduced in 1967, set the tone for what would become a legendary lineage. It was available in a variety of configurations, from a modest six-cylinder engine to a roaring V8, catering to a wide range of drivers. The Camaro's design was bold and aggressive, with a long hood, short deck, and a wide stance that exuded confidence. It was a car that demanded attention, whether it was cruising down the highway or sitting parked on a quiet street. The Camaro quickly became a favorite among those who valued performance and style, and it wasn't long before it found its way onto racetracks across the country. One of the most significant moments in the Camaro's early history was its involvement in the Trans Am Racing Series. Chevrolet saw the potential of the Camaro as a competitive race car and worked tirelessly to develop a version that could dominate the track. The result was the Camaro Z28, a high-performance model specifically designed for racing. The Z28 featured a high-revving 302 cubic-inch V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and other performance enhancements that made it a force to be reckoned with. The Camaro's success on the track helped solidify its reputation as a true performance car, and it became a favorite among racing enthusiasts. As the years went by, the Camaro continued to evolve, adapting to changing tastes and technological advancements. The second-generation Camaro, introduced in 1970, featured a more aerodynamic design and a wider range of engine options. It was during this era that the Camaro truly cemented its status as a cultural icon. It appeared in movies, television shows, and music videos, becoming a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and the American spirit. The Camaro was no longer just a car, it was a lifestyle. However, the 1970s and 1980s were challenging times for the automotive industry as a whole. Stricter emissions regulations and rising fuel prices forced manufacturers to rethink their approach to performance cars. The Camaro, like many other muscle cars, had to adapt to these changes. While some enthusiasts lamented the loss of raw power, Chevrolet worked to ensure that the Camaro remained relevant. The third-generation Camaro, introduced in 1982, featured a more modern design and fuel-efficient engines, but it still retained the spirit of its predecessors. It was during this time that the Camaro began to embrace technology, with features like fuel injection and electronic engine management systems becoming standard. The fourth-generation Camaro, launched in 1993, marked a significant leap forward in terms of design and performance. With its sleek, aerodynamic body and advanced suspension system, the Camaro was once again a contender in the world of high-performance cars. The introduction of the Camaro Z28 SS and the Camaro SS brought back the raw power that enthusiasts had been craving, with V8 engines that delivered impressive horsepower and torque. The Camaro was back, and it was better than ever. Despite its success, the Camaro faced an uncertain future in the early 2000s. Declining sales and shifting consumer preferences led Chevrolet to discontinue the Camaro after the 2002 model year. For a time, it seemed like the Camaro might be gone for good. But true legends never die, and in 2010, Chevrolet brought the Camaro back with a vengeance. The fifth-generation Camaro was a modern interpretation of the classic muscle car, with a retro-inspired design that paid homage to the first-generation models. Under the hood, it packed a punch, with a range of engine options that included a 426-horsepower V8 in the Camaro SS. The return of the Camaro was met with widespread acclaim, and it quickly regained its status as one of the most popular muscle cars on the market. The sixth-generation Camaro, introduced in 2016, took things to a whole new level. With a lighter, more agile chassis and a focus on performance, the Camaro became a true competitor to some of the world's best sports cars. The Camaro 1 Zelati, with its supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 650 horsepower, was a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to pushing the limits of what a muscle car could be. The Camaro also embraced modern technology, with features like magnetic ride control, advanced infotainment systems, and driver assistance technologies, making it a well-rounded and versatile vehicle. Throughout its history, the Camaro has been more than just a car, it has been a symbol of American innovation and determination. It has weathered challenges, adapted to changing times, and consistently delivered on its promise of performance and style. The Camaro's legacy is not just about horsepower and speed, it's about the passion and dedication of the people who designed, built, and drove it. It's about the thrill of the open road, the roar of the engine, and the sense of freedom that comes with being behind the wheel of a true American icon. Today, the Camaro continues to inspire new generations of car enthusiasts. Whether it's the base model with its efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or the track-ready Camaro ZL11LE, there's a Camaro for everyone. It's a car that appeals to those who value performance, style, and heritage, and it remains a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to excellence. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a car, it's a piece of American history. From its humble beginnings as a competitor to the Ford Mustang to its current status as a high-performance powerhouse, the Camaro has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a muscle car